Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's explore Microsoft HyperV virtual machine. We will cover those 8 topics in this video. First, we need to get the installation media from Microsoft website. The URL is on the screen in the red. Then we can check the VT support in BIOS. You don't have to do this because most of the modern computers support this technology. Here I show you the example of my machine. Next, we need to enable the HyperV feature in Windows. In Windows, press Windows key and R key together. Then key in MS Info 32. Click OK. It will bring up the System Info panel. Verify the information in the highlighted area is similar. Press Windows key and R together, then key in app.with.cpl, click OK. Click Windows features on or off. The pop-up window, check HyperV to enable HyperV feature. Click OK. The feature will install automatically. Click Restart Now. Your machine will reboot. It's time to create a new virtual machine. In Windows search bar, key in HyperV, then click the HyperV Manager. In HyperV Manager, click your computer name. Mine is a new. Right-click, click New. Then click Virtual Machine. Name your virtual machine. Choose the stored location on your machine. Prefer to use Generation 2 VM. Allocate memory for VM. I give 8 GB for my VM. For networking, using the default switch. Assign hard disk for the virtual machine. Choose the ISO file we just downloaded for the installation media. Click the Finish button. On your virtual machine, right-click and click Connect. But first boot up your virtual machine. You may see the error like this. This is because the boot sequence we haven't changed properly. Let's fix the error. Click Setting, choose Firmware, highlight DVD drive, and click the Move Up button. Move it to the first place. Click Apply. Choose Security. Enable Trusted Platform module. Click OK to finish setting. Start the virtual machine again. Now the VM can boot properly. The VM has a brand new disk. Click Create Partition, then click Apply. On the prime partition, click Format Partition. Click Next. The installation will begin. To save time, I will using the high-speed video to show the installation process. Choose your screen size. You may see something like this. Click the Session Mode button on the top. The VM display will switch back to the basic session mode. Let's turn off the VM for now. Turn on VM again. Switching back to the basic session mode. Change the VM display to the full screen mode. Right-click on the screen and select Display Setting. For backup purpose, we can export a virtual machine. Right-click the virtual machine and click the Export. Choose the location where you would like to store your virtual machine backup. Click the Export button. When done, it will show the 100%. Sometimes you will need to use an existing one or a backup one. In HyperV Manager, right-click the computer name. Here we will use the Create a new virtual machine based on the existing virtual machine hard disk. Choose a previously saved virtual hard disk. Delete a no-used virtual machine is easy. First, let's find the virtual machine virtual hard disk location. Copy the file path. In File Explorer, find the location. From here, go 1 level up. Delete the virtual hard disk folder. Back to HyperV Manager. On the virtual machine you want to delete, right-click and click Delete. Now the VM is deleted. The virtual hard disk can be expanded when needed. One problem I met is the original virtual hard disk is too small. It can be fixed by expanding the virtual hard drive. Go to HyperV Manager, select the virtual machine, then select Setting. Under SCSI Controller, select Hard Drive. On the right-hand side, select Editor. On the pop-up window, select Expand. In the New Size window, input the new value for the new capacity of the virtual hard drive. Start the virtual machine. Press Windows key and R key together and key in disk management. In this example, the newly allocated area is not connected with the existing C drive. We need to use another way to mount the area to a folder on the C drive. There are two display modes for the VM, the Enhanced Session and the Basic Session. To let Enhanced Session work properly, we need to do one more setting. Go to Setting, Accounts, and Setting Options. Turn this setting off. Close off the setting window. turn the VM off and start it again. Click the Enhanced Session mode. Now you can log in using the Enhanced Session. Because HyperV is a feature of Windows, the VM has a very good support for the graphic card. The setting is a little bit complicated. Follow me, I will show you. On host PC, open Windows PowerShell, run as administrator. In the PowerShell window, key in the command on the screen. The first command, the name should be match your VM's name. The second command, as shown on the screen. The third command, you will get an error like this. This is because the VM is running. Let's turn it off. Run the third command again. The fourth and the last command. This command is very long. Don't worry, I'll put all the command in the comment area. You just can copy and paste to use it. Turn on VM. When you see the checkpoint operation failed error when you turn on the VM, it is because the checkpoint setting. Let's fix it. Go to the setting and the checkpoint. Uncheck the enable checkpoints and click the apply button and the OK button. Start the VM. Minimize the VM. Open the File Explorer. On this PC, right-click and click the Manage. Click the Device Manager. Then click the display adapter, click your display color, right-click and click the property. Click driver and the driver details. Scroll down, you will see the driver with the same prefix. Mine is like this. Write down the prefix. Let's find out where it is. The path is showed on the screen. Right-click the folder and copy it. Switch to the running VM. Paste the just copied folder to the VM desktop. You can do this drag and drop only in the enhanced session mode. Go back to host PC. Next, we will copy the nvapi64.dll from the host to virtual machine. Switch back to VM. Paste the DLL file to the desktop of the VM. Go to the System32 folder. Under the Windows System32 folder, make a new folder called Host Driver Store. Under this folder, make another new folder called File Repository. Copy the display driver from the desktop to this folder. Copy the DLL file to the Windows 32 folder on the VM. turn off VM and reboot it. Let's check if the GPU support is fully enabled. When you see the device is working properly, that means the newly enabled GPU support for the virtual machine is working properly. When VPN on the host is on, the VM network by default will not working properly. Let's check the default network setting on VM. You will see this error message when connect to network. Let's fix it. First, turn off the VM. On the right-hand panel, click Visual Switch Manager. Click New Switch Network Switch. Click External. Click Create Visual Switch. In my case, I have Wi-Fi or Ethernet, so choose one of them is good enough. Let's use the newly created visual switch. In the VM setting, click Network Adapter, then choose the new visual switch. Start the VM. Now you can see the network working properly. Let's see an example running a game on the virtual machine. You can see the game can running smoothly on the VM. Enjoy using HyperV VM. Thank you for watching. See you next time.